Hello everyone, we'll start by solving the question 2 of the Cambridge GCSE 2018 exam. Flavia makes China cats. They each cost $22.60 to make. Part A, Flavia sells some of them to Ari. She makes a profit of 35% on each cat. Calculate the price Ari pays for each cat. She makes a profit of 35% on each cat. This means that if we want to convert 35% into dollars, we can do this in this way. Every $22.60 is 100%. $35, how many in percent? So we multiply the opposite numbers by each other and divide them by the number opposite to the question mark. Now we want to know the price Ari pays for each cat. We must do addition for $22 and this answer, and in this way we have obtained the final answer. Now moving to part B, Ari sells each cat for $43. Calculate Ari's percentage profit. Ari bought them for $30.51 and sold them for $43. This means that when we do subtraction, we will get Ari's gain in dollars. Now we have to convert it to percentage in this way, that every $30.51 is 100 and $12.49 how many, and it is percentage. So we multiply the numbers opposite each other, we divide them by this number and we get the answer. We now move to part C. Jean buys 92 of Flavia's cats. This is 15% more than the number Ari bought. Calculate the number of cats that Ari bought. This means that 92 is 115%. 15% is how many dollars? So we multiply these numbers together and divide them by this number. Now the answer that we got is that we must do subtraction between 92 and 12 because Ari has less than Jean by 15%. Now we get the final answer. We now move to part D. Jean bought the cats for $32 each. Part D, he sells some of the cats for $45 each. For the rest of the cats, he reduces the price by 5% each day. Find the number of reductions he has made when the first price falls below $32. We start with $45. We want to know what 5% is for $45. We use this rule that $45 is 100%. 5% is how many dollars? We multiply this number together and divide it by this number to get $2.25, which constitutes 5% of the amount. $45. Now, as long as Jean reduces the price, this means that we must do subtraction, as we notice that this number is greater than $32. We must repeat this process to obtain an answer that is smaller than $32. As we notice, we repeat this process to finally obtain an answer that is smaller than $32. Now we count how many times we performed this operation. As we can see, we performed this operation 7 times. This means that the number of reductions is 7.